guys, welcome back to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, we are going to replace the stabilizer link bar for this 2010 Ford Plex. So join me today guys, let's fix some cars. So guys, this is a very easy job. We just need to remove two bolts, so one in here and one below guys, somewhere there. So on the top guys, we are using 21 mm socket, and we need to restrain this from rotating using an 18 mm wrench. So we'll put this one at the back of this bolt. Actually I already loosened it guys, and so guys, this is the first bolt. Now we can remove the one below. So below guys, we are using also in 18 at the back and 21 on the nut. But again guys, I already loosened this one. So guys, I just wanna show you close up look of what we are doing. So you have to put it on there. We remove this one. So at the back of the bolt or the nut, and then over here is the bolt or the nut. Let me remove this right there. Oops, sorry. Right there. That's the nut. So again guys, this is a very easy replacement. So two nuts only. Alright guys, second nut. So again, there's only two sizes of the tools that we need in here. One 21 mm and then 18 mm wrench. Now, let's remove the old stabilizer link bar. So guys, this is our parts. So this is for the right side, this one. Guys, let's compare the two, and seems like they're good. Now guys, it has this for the grease, so we need to put a grease on this stabilizer link bar. Oops, come on, come on. Another one. Come on, guys. There you go. Nice. Alright guys, after we put some grease on, now it's ready to install. So in installing this, guys, pretty much straightforward. Let's start from the bottom. There you go. And put the nut on. So again guys, we need to, this time we'll be using vice grip to stop this from spinning. So there you go guys, it's all been installed. So again, it's just straightforward. Just get a vice grip, put under at the back of this, and then use a long socket for this, and then just tighten it, and that's it. So there you go guys, that's how you replace a stabilizer link bar for this 2010 for the Flex. So if you have any question guys, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.